How to replace the para wireless module. Remove the rear shell and the components like the battery compartment. Unplug the nearby connectors and remove the screws. Unplug the antenna connectors and tear off the adhesive antenna. Isolate the main board from the case by placing a heat-resistant item in between them. Use heat insulation tape to protect the components from damage by the heat gun. Carefully heat the solder on both sides of the original wireless module until it is easily removed. Please set the temperature of the heat gun to around 400 degrees Celsius. It may take some time for the solder to melt. Be careful not to pull on the board until the solder is fully melted. Add tin to the solder pads. Place the power wireless module in the correct position. The power wireless module uses an onboard antenna. Heat the solder pads while feeding solder to join the new power module. Reassemble everything to its original state. How to replace the new upgraded RF module. Unplug all the antennas on the RF board. Remove the original RF board by pulling up on it and replace it with the upgrade. Reconnect all antenna connections.